Let's go. Okay, so I'm usually the first one in our class to arrive in school. Oh my god. I thought it was the cleaning lady. Okay. But I'm usually the first one to enter school, arrive at school, especially in a classroom. I think I'm one of the first people here, except the teachers. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for my class to arrive, and then we're gonna head downstairs, and then we're gonna have science, and then we're gonna have traffic in our last subject.
Okay, den blir
Vi har ikke hentet. Let's go. Yeah. I have løk.
okay,
Og så glasset. Og så ta den lenger opp.
Jeg skal se om jeg finner noen farge til dere.
Wow!
I know.
Wow! Det er liksom enda.
Okay, det der er en cellevegg. Det...
Frimner.
Ja, han gjorde det. Og så bare... Hei, så redd! Det er det samme. Og når han skulle prøve igjen, så sprødde det på. Altså, vil du faktisk prøve?
Ja, egentlig. Oh, sinnes.
Oh my god. Jeg bare hører...
Oh god. Oh my god.
Okay. Nei.
Det var så søt, man prøvde å klatre opp.
Ja, det... Jeg vet ikke hva det er.
Oh nei. Alice, help.
Hvordan vi hører oss ikke sånn? Fordi hun har den der bøtta på. Nei! Gjør. Velkommen.
Oh my god. Okay. Bruno. Oh.
Bra jobb.
Etter. Av noen grunn.
Jag kan ha den senare.
Ser du inte?
Well, hello there. Oh my god, oh my
So this is my cat.
Yes.
Så bra. Hva syns du om Nederland? Jeg har aldri prøvd den her før.
3 ut av Nei. Hva skal vi ta liksom terningkast, eller av 10, eller hvordan blir det?
Ja, det er 10.
Det er 3 av 10. 2, 3 av 10.
Men mine... Det er -4.
-4?
Ja. Og dine... Fra min sønn, -3.
We literally just ate all the food, but
Yes, we
her-
started the video without you.
yeah, but like her mom was here all the time, so we just like.
Yeah.
But let's eat the big bite instead.
Yes. This was her food. And this was mine. It's the same thing, but mine was with chicken. Hers is not.
Wait.
Yeah. Yes.
Start eat the big bites.
What's yours?
I have
You have paprika?
yes, I have cheese, spam, or ham. With bell pepper, cucumber, and salad.
Yes, mine
Mine.
is chicken curry. Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god!
What happened?
actually, she just like. Oh!
God. This is actually good. Like real food.
Bruno is punching Akshi's head.
Punching.
Yes.
Yes, he does that. They're brother and sister.
Yes. Even though they look different.
Yeah, she was the smallest one in the litter. So. So that's the reason why she's so thin now. And
Akshay?
small. Yes, because she's a bit smaller than him. And that's because she was the last one that came out. And he was one of the first ones. Not the biggest, but one of the first ones. There were 4 kittens. Honestly, I started to be kind of full.
Oh.
I've eaten so much.
Yeah, you really did. You
Yeah.
really did. Out of the 2 of us, you ate the most.
Did you even eat some of the big bite? Like, I have almost nothing in my food. Yo, you need to eat pasta. But I have dessert. And I think it's frozen now.
Literally.
But it's from another country. I've eaten pasta before and I really loved it.
I haven't tried this before.
It was like my mother's friends who were coming over to my mom's friends. And it's like, I don't know what it is, but it's good. And it looks like this.
Oh,
And it's like white on the inside.
like ice cream, or
Yes.
is it like ice cream, or what is it?
No, it's good. It's kind of like yogurt
Oh,
with chocolate. I don't know how to explain. It's but it's good.
oh, that's soft. That looks really soft. Show
I
the,
really love it.
show the camera. Texture.
Oh yeah. Like you can. Okay, now it's kind of cold.
Yeah, you literally took them out of the freezer.
You like
Oh,
it
oh, but look what.
And I have another one.
Another one.
Because I'm not sure if this is the same thing.
Are you kidding me, idiot?
I think it is. But it is in another language.
Russian.
I don't think. Or is it?
That's Russian. That's Russian. That is Russian.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Taket på nabonocken. Taket på nabonocken.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is like this whole thing is just
Chicken.
yeah, and it's not meat, it's just sauce like oh my god, that looks kind of disgusting on the camera. Like
It really does in real life. This is what mine looks like.
yeah, yours looks better. But it tastes really good though. Like
The difference between us is that I'm a picky eater.
oh, I'm
She
not.
isn't. I am a picky eater.
I can eat whatever, and if I don't like it, I still like it. Like
I stick for what I know. I know I like.
I get bored. Like I like it, but I want to try something new.
Oh no, I'm afraid to try something new.
No, like do you drink warm cola?
It's not the worst.
No, but like cold is better.
Yeah. Do you like cola with kulsyre? I like cola without kulsyre. I like cola without kulsyre.
Without?
Yes. Usually when I'm like drinking it, and then when I shake it, I know this won't be coming out, like it won't explode. So I keep like shaking it and shaking it
Wow.
until it gets like not a juice but like soft. Soft is juice. Soft.
Soft. Soft.
No. This is soft.
What is soft?
This.
Yeah, sure. I think we have coffee.
It hurts to eat back here because of the braces. Let's do it right now. Let's try. Taste test. I'm gonna try this one. It's my first time trying this.
It's my second, and I love it. It's a cream. It's a cream.
It's not squishy. It's like
It's it's sweet but sour, like
I don't know if I like it or hate it.
oh, I love it.
Like the texture is a no for me. But I don't know what like I can't really describe it. Like that's the thing. I can't describe it. It's definitely not ice cream.
No.
It's not ice cream. I mean, it's not the worst thing I've eaten in my life.
It's a type of cheese. But it's not cheese.
Yeah, it like
Because this type of cheese, you can't find it in Norway.
like
It's creamy and sour.
yeah,
But it's good. It's not
It's-
sour like...
and it's not that sweet either.
No. The chocolate makes it sweet though.
So, how much would you rate that? Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I will rate mine or this. But I need to be honest here.
Yeah.
That's the thing, need to be honest. Oh,
Okay.
3.5 out of 10. Maybe a 4. Week 4. I mean, like, 5 is a bit too much.
Is it better than the noodles though?
Yeah.
Yeah, well that's all that matters. We had noodles and they were very expensive for their taste.
Yeah,
Like,
they really were. Will not buy again.
I mean, it's not like what did we expect at this price. The price literally said this is the best thing that we have in the market, and it was the worst. Like mine were with kitchen, price were with
Kitchen?
chicken,
Yeah.
and your
Mine is
these are
original.
and this was bad, but this was even worse in my opinion. I don't know, like.
For me, it's the opposite.
Oh, because like yours had a much stronger taste.
It really did.
These were a bit fainted, like it wasn't as strong, so you wouldn't get like bored. Like I don't know, bored. Like,
Those two taste really, really different.
yeah, they have a big difference.
Different.
Like
The taste is so much different.
oh,
Alice. No. I can see you. How? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I give a lot too. No.